In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Schwab Direct Deposit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the information you need, how to give it to your employer or payer, and what to expect as it goes live. First, let's get the essentials out of the way. To set up direct deposit, you'll need two things, your Schwab account number and your ACH routing number. Both are available right inside your Schwab account. On the Schwab website or mobile app, sign in, go to Move Money, then choose Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit. Select the account you want to use, and you'll see the account number and the routing number displayed for that specific account. Take a moment to jot them down carefully or keep the page open so you can copy them accurately. From that same spot, you can also download or print a direct deposit form that's already populated with your details, which can make the next part easier. Now, an important note, you don't turn on direct deposit inside Schwab. Instead, you give your information to the organization that pays you. That could be your employer's payroll department, a government agency for things like benefits or tax refunds, or any other payer that supports ACH direct deposit. When you submit the information, provide the bank name as Charles Schwab Bank, along with the ACH routing number and your Schwab account number. They handle the setup on their end, so once they have it, you're done with this part. If you want the smoothest route, use Schwab's pre-filled direct deposit form you downloaded earlier. Share that form with your employer or payer exactly as they request, usually by uploading it to a payroll portal or handing it to HR. Because the details are already filled in, this reduces typos and can help speed up approval. After you submit everything, give it a little time. Direct deposit typically activates within 1 to 2 pay cycles, and sometimes the very first deposit may take a bit longer. Keep an eye on your pay statements and your Schwab account activity so you'll know when the switch has happened. A few final tips to make sure it all goes smoothly. There's no fee to receive direct deposits at Schwab. Always use the ACH routing number shown in the Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit section. Don't use wire instructions for payroll. Double-check every digit of your account and routing numbers to avoid delays or return deposits. And remember, direct deposit works with Schwab brokerage accounts, Schwab checking accounts, and some IRAs, keeping in mind that IRAs are subject to annual contribution limits. That's it. Straightforward, secure, and once it's set, your money goes right where you want it.